The Outland Living Granville is #1 for a dedicated patio. But buying for looks alone can leave you with weak warmth or unwanted setup. Choose between tabletop portability, warmth, smoke control, and permanence. Number 6. HGD Tabletop. Want a small flame beside dessert instead of a patio centerpiece? I'd pick this for tabletop marshmallow roasting, dinner settings, or easy movement between outdoor spaces. Portability and assembly both land at 10.0, so carrying and setting it up shouldn't dominate your evening. But warmth is the compromise, with heat output at 3.0 and only moderate smoke management. That makes it an accent fire rather than your main gathering pit. Fuel requirements and certification details remain unknown, so confirm both before committing. Skip it if you're trying to warm a larger seating area or prioritize stronger smoke control. Number 5. OutVue with grills. This one earns its space by handling fire pit, grilling, and table duties. I'd consider it when patio storage is limited and one multifunction item makes more sense than separate gear. That 3-in-1 design is the real appeal, especially for occasional gatherings where flexibility matters. But assembly, portability, and cleaning are weaker parts of the package. Long-term durability is also uncertain, which makes replacement cost worth considering before you choose it for frequent use. Fuel requirements and certification details remain unknown. Skip it if you want quick assembly, regular transport, or confidence that it'll handle years of heavy use. Number 4. Amazon Basics Steel Lattice. If you just want a traditional fire pit for occasional evenings, this is the straightforward option. I'd pick it over a tabletop model when actual warmth matters more than compact styling. Heat output reaches 7.0, giving it a stronger warming role than the smaller decorative choices. The catch is smoke management at 4.0, while cleaning and assembly are merely average. So you're accepting a simpler pit without strong smoke reduction or standout convenience. Fuel requirements and certification details remain unknown. Skip it if smoke drifting across the seating area would spoil the whole reason you're outside. Number 3. Solo Stove Mesa Tabletop. Picture marshmallows at the table or a small flame anchoring backyard event decor. That's where I'd choose the Mesa, because compact portability and simple setup suit that job better than serious heating. Its heat output sits at 4.0, so the flame brings atmosphere without meaningfully warming a larger seating circle. That limitation isn't hidden by the tabletop format, it's the format's defining trade-off. Fuel requirements and certification details remain unknown, so check whether its setup fits your intended table. Skip it if warmth and comfort are the main goals, because you'd be buying the wrong size class. Number 2. Ciays Smokeless. Need a fire pit that won't feel permanently assigned to one patio corner? I'd choose the Ciays when movement and manageable setup matter more than leading heat or smoke control. Its 9.0 portability score makes relocation the headline benefit, while an 8.0 assembly score keeps setup relatively approachable. An accessory bundle adds convenience, although the exact included pieces remain unknown. But heat output is moderate, and smoke management trails the strongest choices here. Fuel requirements and certification details also remain unknown. Skip it if you want maximum warmth or the best smoke control, because portability is what you're really buying. Number 1. Outland Living Granville. This is the one I'd choose when the fire pit is becoming part of a dedicated outdoor living area. Smoke management reaches 10.0, and cleaning is another strong point, so it fits patios where convenience matters after guests leave. But this isn't the warmest or most movable choice. Portability falls to 1.0, which means you should treat placement as a real setup decision rather than an afterthought. Its fire table role also makes more sense at home than around a campsite. Fuel requirements and certification details remain unknown. Skip it if you move often, camp regularly, or prioritize maximum heat over smoke control. Granville wins for a permanent patio setup. Ciays suits frequent movement, while Mesa and HGD belong on tables. Amazon Basics favors warmth over smoke control, and OutVue trades simplicity for multifunction use. Before buying, confirm fuel, certification fit, placement needs, maintenance, and likely replacement costs. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. I take the Granville for a settled patio, but switch to Ciays if movement matters. Choose Mesa or HGD only for tabletop use. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.